Hi everyone. So today I want to talk about multitasking. Well, I do believe that multitasking is definitely a myth. It is not possible to multitask. There is an influencer that I really like, which is called Chris Ducker. He's an expert in personal branding, and basically he said that multitasking does not exist. We switch tasks. And that's exactly what I think we do. So, of course, there are a couple of tasks that you can do in parallel. Basically, you can drive and still talk to the person next to you. But we are able to do this type of task because they became an automation for you. It's something that we are so used to do that we do not really need the main part of our brain to achieve it. But if you need to talk to a client on one side and then to write down some email or maybe to write down some blog posts, etc., that's not possible to do them effectively. Your brain is going to switch to, okay, what he's saying, then what I want to write, and etc., etc. So it's absolutely not possible to multitask, but it's possible only to switch tasks. And that's exactly why David Allen also created the Getting Things Done methodology, because we are able to only switch tasks and not do things in parallel. So every time that you are doing something hard, you will try to catch your brain when he tries to find something else. Like if you're in your office writing down an article, just an example, don't put the coffee machine in front of you, because every time your eyes are going to see the coffee machine, maybe you will have that temptation to say, oh, why not taking a coffee right now or a tea, whatever. It's our brain. That's how we are as humans. We are basically lazy, and our brain always try to escape something that we are currently doing, right? So remove as much distractions as possible. No distractions at all on your computer. Remove the distractions as well on your phone. Maybe put on the airplane mode on your phone to be sure to focus for at least half an hour, if it's not 1 hour, on only one thing, and you will see that you will be very, very effective. It's not possible to multitask for sure. That's how it works for me. That's how it works for many entrepreneurs. I've learned a lot of things for well-known entrepreneurs, and they are all, I would say, they all have the same type of brain, and I bet that you have exactly the same type of things. And last things, next time you're going to be maybe in the street or waiting for someone, or you have 5 or 10 minutes of free time, you can enjoy just being what's around you. If you're outside, maybe enjoying the nature, listening to the birds, etc. Try to appreciate slowing down. Or if you really want to do something, do not offer your time to someone else. Basically, if you take your phone and open your email box, you're going to offer your time to someone else that is going to redirect maybe you to something or etc. And then you're going to make your brain busy. Instead, you could choose to do something useful. Maybe write down something, or if you have some specific idea, maybe just opening the voice recorder and just recording yourself, writing, just putting down your thoughts on something special. Or if you have really free time and you want to learn, just choose a podcast that you like maybe this one, and try to learn something. The goal will be to have learned something, to be another person at the end of the 5 or 10 minutes you have to spare. If you use that time properly, maybe you will have something new in your life that you can maybe use later on. I hope it's the case with this little episode, or maybe with other episodes that you might check on our podcast or on our channel. And that's the goal. Just choose what you want to do with your life. Choose what you want to do with your time. Choose what you want to do right now and what you want to focus on. And don't let your brain distract you with anything else. That's my recommendation for today. Avoid multitasking. I wish you a great day, and I'm going to talk to you very soon for another episode. Bye for now.